Hi, I'm Dan Weingartz, and welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the John Deere S120 lawn tractor. The S120 has been a big seller in the John Deere line because it's a great value and something that gives you a lot of John Deere features without kind of breaking the bank on the price. And so one of the things we're going to start with is a fully welded steel frame. So you're going to get kind of that rigidity and the ruggedness that you would expect in a John Deere. Also going to have a 42-inch edge cutting deck. So a really nice mowing deck combined with a good frame is a good base to start the machine. We're going to pair that with a really powerful engine in a 22 horsepower V-twin engine that is gives you kind of great power for the size of deck. 22 horsepower to a 42-inch deck is plenty of power, and power is probably some additional power in a twin-cylinder engine. Also, John Deere put their easy change oil system on this, where you can actually don't have to ever do an oil change. If you take the filter off and then put a new filter on that is preloaded with oil, that is the extent of your oil change. It can be done in as little as 30 seconds or a minute, and never actually have to physically drain the oil out of the system, just with their kind of preloaded oil filter system. As we come on back, you'll always notice that John Deere does a great job of making a machine easy to operate. You'll notice that all of the controls are very easy to handle. You've got your fuel gauge, electronic fuel gauge here with your hour meter. You've got your throttle and choke control, your parking brake set. The brake is on the left, and then your ability to, it's a magnetic parking brake that you can use there. The safety feature, the RIO system, gives you the ability to mow in reverse, but you have to actively engage that. That button is right there. You've got your PTO engagement, what's going to start your blades. Just very nice and easy on a handle assist there as well as two foot controls for forward and reverse, instead of not on a rocker, but one on each, one for forward and one for reverse. Coming on back to a seat that gives you really good airflow, an open seat with a nice high back on it, and then a spring-loaded system to raise and lower your mower deck, so to make that very easy as well and kind of operate with one hand. So as you see, they really put a nice package together here in the John Deere S120, all part of their kind of entry-level value series, the S100, and a great value for the money, and it continues to be a big seller. I appreciate you taking some time to learn about the John Deere S120 with me today.